Hello students, welcome back to the class. Now students, after doing the properties and the multiplication by 10, 100,000, moving forward by multiplication of the numbers. So in our previous lesson, we have already discussed how to do the multiplication of large numbers by simple multiplying both the numbers, keeping them one below the another. Now moving forward with the next topic, and this is multiplication by suitable arrangement. So this is another method or another way of simplifying the questions, minimizing the time and performing the multiplication. So this is done by arranging the numbers. As you can see, suitable arrangement. So we do not only prefer the order of the number, but we can change the order and solve it in the with minimum efforts and in a very easy manner. So for that, I have taken two examples. Let us solve these two examples one by one and understand the concept of suitable arrangement. So like here, first part is 8 multiplied by 112 multiplied by 25. So now if it is a general multiplication, if you multiply it in a general manner, so what you will do, very first you will multiply 8 with 112, then whatever answer you will get, that you will multiply by 25. But that will take a lot of time and also a lot of efforts, lot of calculations. Now here students, I will tell you a very easy method to solve this by making a suitable arrangement. So for that suitable arrangement, you just have to examine the question carefully and just try to find out what easy way you can choose to multiply the terms. Now here in this question, I can see that if I multiply this 8 by 25, so instead of multiplying 8 with 112, if I multiply 8 with 25 very first, so what will be the answer? So if I write it in a proper order, so it is 8 multiplied by 25. I have made a group here and then I will multiply the answer, or you can say the value, with 112. So what is 25 8s are? So 25 8s are, students, the answer is 200. When you will multiply 25 by 8, you will get 200, and then this 200 we have to multiply by 112. Now you can very easily multiply the term instead of doing the complete multiplication procedure. 112 multiplied by 2. So just multiply 112 with 2. So what will be the answer? 224. And after that, according to the rule of multiplication by 10, 100,000, we will put these two zeros after the values. So this is our answer of multiplication of 8 multiplied by 112 multiplied by 25, and the final answer is 22,400. So here you can see that there was no need of big calculation and we have done the solution in just 3 steps, students. So this is called multiplication done by suitable arrangement. So we have arranged in a fixed manner. Now moving forward to the second example, and let us see how to do this. Now here you have to multiply 871 with 5 and then multiply it by 40. Once again, if you will multiply in a order, in a sequence, that will be going to be very long. So here, if I made a suitable arrangement and if I multiply these two numbers very first, so I will write it like this: 871 multiplied by, now I made a group of 5 and 40. So 5 multiplied by 40 in a group, and we will perform this multiplication very first. So 871 multiplied by, let's see what is the answer. 5 into 4, 20, and then a 0. So we multiplied 5 into 40 by multiplication of 10, 100 and 1000 rule. Now, since we are done with multiplication of 5 and 40, moving forward, now we have to multiply 871 with 200. So what you will do, you will simply multiply 871 by 2. So if I multiply 871 by 2, so what I will get? 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, carry 2 eights are 16 and 17. Now the 2 zeros are left. So what we will do with the zeros? We will put the zeros at the very last. So students, this is how you can solve the questions related to multiplication by suitable arrangement. But yes, one more thing which is very important. This method of suitable arrangement you can use only in those questions where there is a particular order given to you. And if I give you a small hint that suitable arrangement is always done with the numbers like 5 or the number which is which gives you 0. So 5, 15, 25, 35, these kind of multiples of 5. So in suitable arrangement, we multiply those numbers which are actually multiples of 5 so that we get the answer in terms of something which is multiple of zeros. We get 10, 100, 1000, 200, 400, 500, 1000, 5000, like that. So please remember that whenever we do the suitable arrangement, like in these two questions, very first I multiplied with 25 with 8 and here we have multiplied 5 with 40, so that we get our answer which is multiple of 10, 100 or 1000. So students, I hope this topic is clear to all of you, how to do the multiplication by suitable arrangement. Understand the concept carefully and follow the rule accordingly. Thank you for the lesson, students.